Hi, Tim here from Cockatoo Creations. Today we're going to show you how to put a flagpole together and how to put a flag on a flagpole. This is a standard flag, not a garden flag. This is a house flag. First of all, one of the flagpoles that we have from Cockatoo Creations, you're going to put these two pieces together, and there will be a screw that you screw it in to hold it in place. You slide the plastic sleeve over it, and the plastic sleeve is so that the flag has room to spin. And the last piece is the coupler. Slide the coupler down on the flag pole, and that holds the plastic piece in place. And there you go. The flagpole's put together. Now comes the part of putting on the flag. Standard flag, also from Cockatoo Creations, shows these beautiful songbirds. All standard flags have an opening at the top, and this is where the flagpoles slide in. You just get your flagpole positioned, slide it in the opening, slide it down, and there you have it. You've just put a flag on a flagpole.